Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a recurring task on Akiflow. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to set up a recurring task on Akiflow. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that here we are on Akiflow. Now let's go and scroll down to this marker here. If I want to add a recurring task, I got to select task here, and then we'll just do test. And the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to click this repeat icon. So once you click on this repeat icon, you're going to be given different customizations on how you want this event to repeat, or this task to repeat. So you can repeat this every day. You can repeat it weekly on a Monday, every last Monday of the month, every weekday, whichever you want. So by clicking on this button here, you'll be allowed to repeat tasks, events, or even time slots. So time slots are more like time blocks where it's like a set aside time in which you want to complete a certain amount of tasks. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up recurring tasks on Akiflow. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.